Now this time we're going to start with the equation. We're going to pull out the important information and use it to help us graph the line. So our equations are written in point slope form. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And our goal is to pull out the ordered pair and the slope. So let's start by pulling out our slope. So that's our m value. So we see that that slope is -3. Next, let's pull out our ordered pair. So that is going to come from our x1 and y1. And if we notice, those signs are supposed to be minuses. And here in our equation, we see them as pluses. So in order for them to have changed signs, then that means that that had to have been minus a negative, which would have changed that into plus a positive. So then that means that our x value had to have been a -2, and that our y value had to have been a -4. So now, given the ordered pair for the point of reference of -2, -4, we'll start by graphing that point. Then we're going to use our slope of -3 as our point of direction to make additional points to draw our line. So that slope of -3 would mean to go down 3 into the right one. And as you can see, that's going to go off of our graph. So I'm going to start by doing the automatic opposite, which would be to go up 3 into the left one, up 3 into the left one, up 3 into the left one, because the slope of a line never changes. And as we can see here, it doesn't give us a clearly defined y-intercept, which is sometimes why point slope form is going to be our better option, because we may not always be able to identify the y-intercept on the graph. Let's try our next one. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Let's look to pick out our key features. Let's start with picking out our slope. So we see that our m value is -2. Now let's go for our ordered pair. So our x1 is 2, because we already see the -2. Let's look for the y1 value, which we see a +3, which means that this would have been a -3. So then that is a -3. So our original ordered pair for a point of reference is at 2, -3. From there, our slope is going to tell us to go down 2 to the right 1. Back to our point of reference, the opposite of that would be to go up 2, left 1. Again, up 2, left 1. The slope of a line never changes, so I can continue that pattern. And then draw in my line. And we've now used point slope form to identify the slope in an ordered pair to go ahead and graph that line. So now using this, I want you guys to go ahead and try number 9 on your own and come back when you think you've got it and check. Let's see how you guys do. All right, if you're back, let's see how we did. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Our slope is 3. X1 is going to come from the +6, so that means it was a -6. So our x value is -6. Our y value, it's already the minus, so that is a 1. So our original ordered pair is going to go at -6, 1. Our slope is 3. That's going to give me a rise of 3, a run of 1. And the opposite of that would be to go down 3, left 1. As we can see, that's going to go off the graph either way. So I'm going to go ahead and connect those right there. Okay, try number 10, and then let's come back and see how we do on this one. Let's start by identifying that slope. So that's our m value. So we see our slope is -5/2. Let's find that ordered pair, starting with our x value, which is 3. Our y value, since that is showing as a +4, that means it had to have been a minus a -4. So our y value is -4. So starting with our original ordered pair, 3, -4. Our slope of -5/2 would mean to go down 5, right 2, which is going to take us off the graph. So I'm going to start by going straight to the opposite, up 5, and to the left 2. Repeat that again because the slope never changes. And then there's our graph by identifying our slope and a point on that line.